With all the talk about viruses lately, I've got something exciting to share. A super tonic that will give your immune system the boost it needs to keep you and your family strong and healthy. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss one of my upcoming videos packed with health tips. Many factors affect our immune system, but this tonic will give your white blood cells, lymphocytes, and T cells the support they need to keep you in fighting shape. And when I say strong, I mean it. You'll feel an energy boost within minutes. First up, cucumbers. They have amazing healing properties, and though low in calories, they're packed with water, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins that fight off harmful free radicals and help keep your immune system in top shape. Being 96% water, cucumbers also help keep you hydrated. Garlic is another powerful immune booster. When crushed or chewed, it releases allicin, which helps your immune system fight off germs and can even prevent colds and the flu. If you're feeling worn out, start adding garlic to your routine. Ginger is packed with potent anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, especially gingerols, which give it its powerful immune-boosting effects. Ginger is also great for digestion and overall immune support. Cayenne pepper brings the heat with its capsaicin, which has medicinal properties that help with congestion, coughs, and cold symptoms. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C, which gives your immune system an extra boost. Apple cider vinegar is another must-have. It has antimicrobial properties and creates an alkaline effect in the body, which helps maintain balance and improve overall health. It also supports detoxification and circulation, helping the body eliminate bad bacteria more efficiently. And of course, honey. Known for its antioxidant, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, honey helps improve digestion and strengthens your immune system. Here's how you can make this immune-boosting tonic at home. You'll need 1 half peeled cucumber, 2 peeled garlic cloves, 1 2-inch piece of peeled ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of water, a pinch of cayenne pepper, up to 1 tablespoon of honey or an alternative sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. Chop the cucumber, garlic, and ginger into small pieces and blend everything in a high-speed blender for 30 seconds to a minute until fully liquefied. Pour it into 2 shot glasses. Now the magic begins. Take 1 shot first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your day. Store the second shot in the fridge for later. Even if it gets a bit frosty, it's still just as powerful. Whether you're feeling great, a bit run down, or already battling a cold, this tonic will work wonders for your immune system.